Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this fun makeup look. Definitely make sure you check out how I did my face. My color correcting and foundation routine is down in the down bar, and this look today is actually inspired by James Charles, so I will have his Instagram in this picture linked down below. First, I'm going to apply this hydrating lip plumper by Grande Lips to kind of get my lips to look like James Charles's, who probably has lip fillers, but they're real plump, man. Next, I'm going to dive right on in and do my eyes using the BH Cosmetics 252 Ultimate Palette, and I'm just going to be using the orangey red side and using this yellow to start. This is an Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm just going to start blending this a little bit above my crease. Using that same brush, I'm just going to go in with a brighter orange, and this is going to get packed into my crease. You can see I actually start to just blend it out a little bit, and then I really start to build it up, really get that color in there. And because his eye is more of a halo eye, I actually start blending this on the inner and outer corners to kind of create that effect. And I'm just using more of a flat brush to do that here. Using that same flat brush, this is the Morphe M406, I'm going to take a reddish orange, and this I'm going to start packing on to the inner and outer corners of my eye, and I'm also going to start dragging it across the middle to create that little halo effect. And here I'm just taking that first brush and blending it out really, really well. Popping over to this gorgeous shimmery yellowy white, I'm going to use that on the Luxie 239 Precision Shader, pop that on as a highlight under my brows, on the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm also going to do it on the center of my lid to keep that halo effect going. Behind my waterlines, I'm going to use the gorgeous Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, super dark, super black, got this in my Ipsy bag, and I love it. And I'm really building it up on my waterlines because I want a super dark look around my eyes. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyways, using the Benefit Gimmie Brow in shade 03. This is a mini. I love it. I'm just going to do my brows real quick, get them under control. For my favorite part, I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Sapphire, and just popping that on all over my eyes. I love it. Doing a nice thick wing with it, and then I'm also going to actually apply this along my lower lash line because that's kind of what James Charles has going on, I think. Using that same Morphe brush from before, I'm going to pop over to the Coastal Scents Creative Me palette and use that bright electric blue to kind of just buff out the liner a little, which is a little hard because it dries down real quick, but we're doing it. For mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, and as you can see here, I'm actually going to brush it down across the top of my lashes just because there's a lot of blue on them and I try to cover that up. Moving on to my face, I'm using the BH Cosmetics and Carli Bybel Original Palette and this kind of middle dark bronzer, and just bronzing up my entire face to kind of get that glowy look since the orange is a little harsh on my very, very pale, very pale skin. Going in with this darker shade, I'm going to take this on an e.l.f. face brush. Don't know, it's not what it's supposed to be used for, but I'm using it as a contour brush today. And then skipping blush and going right back into that yellowy highlighter shade, I'm just going to use that as a highlighter on the rest of my face as well. Same Luxie brush and everything. And I wanted to zhuzh up my lashes a little, so I'm using the Ardell Magnetic Accents in 001 and just popping these on the outer corner. As you can see, struggling just a little bit, but way better than the first time I tried to put these on. They're actually pretty easy. And the finishing touch, I'm going to use this gorgeous Jessie's Girl lipstick in the shade Krystal. Love this. Definitely check out my swatch video of all of their new lipsticks and hollow lip glosses because they're amazing. Look how gorgeous and shiny and smooth and pigmented. Okay, I'll stop rambling. here's the final look. So this is the final finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.